Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of my real estate channel. If you guys are new and just joining in, my name is Julie. Today I'm in Riverview touring a home by DR Horton in the community of Cedar Brook. So these homes start at the high 500s and I'm going to be touring two different homes. I'm going to be doing two different videos, so stay tuned for that. The HOAs are only about $8 a month and the CDD fees are varying depending on what size lot you purchase. So they have 50-foot home sites and they have 60-foot home sites. They have out of 120 home sites, they only have 60 remaining. So if you guys are interested in this community, please be sure to message me and I'll get back to you with all the information. But let's go right ahead and take a look at this beautiful home.